Hi, I'm Marna, and it is coming fast, and that is May the 4th. May the 4th, Darren and I offer up a challenge for you to bring out anything Star Wars. Whether you make your doll an outfit, or you bring out your stuffies, or Legos, or figurines, or anything Star Wars. We also would like for you to bring out your Star Trek, anything space related. We are happy for you to join in our challenge. Now this year, again, we will be having a prize for the video we like the best. So what you want to do is when you have your video done and you put it up, be sure to tell us in our video that in the comments, that you have a video that day so that we do not miss it, because we want to watch them all before we decide who gets the prize. What is the prize? Come back May the 4th and we'll let you know then. Let me grab some stuff. I have an unboxing today. We have been so busy. We had out-of-town company come stay for a week, actually out-of-state company come stay for a week. We had a blast. We were going to ride the Katy Trail, and Darren and I have not had rain. Our pond was drying up. When do you think the rain came? Yep, the day after they arrived. We played games. We did get to ride, but not near the miles we were hoping. So they're going to come back in November, and we're going to try some miles again. This is so cool. You know those runner miles? My daughter-in-law runs marathons. God, love that woman. And I thought maybe the trail was on the back. This is the Katy Trail. I'm going to put this in the back of my car. Yes, I have ridden that. Yes, I have ridden Katy Trail from end to end. I think we've done it 5 times and we've gone both directions. 5 or 7 times.
I don't know.
I don't either. Anyway, so I got that. So while they were here, I got this box and I'm like, what is that? Darren, did you buy me something? We're both like, I don't know. And you know how you buy stuff and you get so busy you forget what you got? Oh, God, I'm too spoiled when I forget something like this. We had 2 adults and 2 German Shepherd dogs that came and stayed with us for a week. Yes, Drew, I should have that little tool that you bought me using it, but quite honestly, I thought this would go pretty fast, and it's not. Maybe I need to go get it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. So we had our hands full, and Darren did most of the cooking, and we just had a ball. Anyway, on Etsy, I saw this little deal, and it had or make offer. Well, you know me. I'm going to make an offer. So I got this doll.
Thought you got paper.
Yeah, no, I was hiding the doll. I didn't remember what I bought, so I sure don't remember what I paid, but nothing. I paid next to nothing for what I got. Puddle, which is a pull-up con, is coming up in June. And I'm really looking forward to it. And they also say that Smart Dolls and Blythes have about taken it over. So while I want the pull-ups, I'm also taking my Blythes and taking my Blythes and Smart Dolls. But I bought this little pull-up because she was really, really cute, and she's a little, that just looks weird, a little vampire. And isn't she adorable? I mean, just adorable. And I got her cheap. I mean, I got her very cheap. All right, let's see what else came in the mail while I had company. I thought there was more. Watch, I'll find it somewhere else in the house, and then I'll have to do another video, and that's fine too. I don't remember what I ordered. Like I said, you know, time goes by, and you order this stuff, and a couple weeks go by, and then a third week goes by, and sometimes longer, and it's like, oh yeah. And me, I'm always continuing to order. So, oh, look at these boots I bought. I got these so inexpensively. Went back to get another pair. These are for my Smart Dolls. And they were gone. They were gone. I thought I ordered 2 pair though. Maybe this is them. I would like to take a marker to this and see if I can change the color. And I bought a pair I think I did, specifically, nope, this is not it. Specifically for that, but I thought they were shorter, so maybe those aren't them. Anyway, I do that with Blythe boots, the little white Blythe boots. Oh, I love these. I buy these all the time because, you know, I keep getting smart dolls. I might be ready to order one now if he would drop them. But I love these little sandals, and I wanted to have them in case they quit selling them. Anyway, on the boots, I do that with Blythe dolls. I buy those little white boots, and I've taken permanent marker to them, and I've changed the color. I've gone blue, green. Oh yeah, look at this, another pair. Blue, green, brown. What other colors have I done? Okay, these are different. These are for winter. They have a purpose. Are these the cutest things? Look at the bow. Oh, God, they're just so snow bunny. I don't know if you know what a snow bunny is or not, but they're the girls that hang out in used to, in the 60s, 70s, 80s. I don't know if they still do or not. Girls would go to Denver, Colorado and hang out in the, what do you call those with the fireplace and the...
Ski lodge? Ski
lodge. And look all cute and try to meet rich guys, kind of like groupies at a... Oh, this is my ribbon. Like groupies at a concert. Okay. Snow bunnies, they call them. I bought this. It is ribbon, and I got it in a couple colors. I want to make, I have a couple things in mind for this, for Blythe dolls and for Smart dolls. And I'm going to do a video on that, so I won't talk about it too much, but I'm really glad I found that. I was looking for this in the, you know, Joann's, Hobby Lobby's, Michael's. You can't find it anymore. Embroidered ribbon. And I really am tickled to have found it. I have more coming. It was not expensive, and for what I'm doing, it is perfect. All right, one more. Are there 2 in here? Yeah, 2 more. And I will let you get on to the rest of your day. I sure appreciate you watching, and I mean that. Oh, yeah. This one's for my Blythe doll. Some of you may know what that is for. If you're familiar with the 1972 Blythe dolls, you will know what I have in mind for that one. Okay. Well, I was hoping to get another pair of those boots, but I think they were sold out. Oh, yeah. And look at that one. Oh. That one's for a Smart doll outfit. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you will join in the Star Wars Challenge on May 4th. Upload your videos any time of day, but please make sure we know you have a video up and that you'd like to win our prize for the best Star Wars characters. Now, what may be my favorite may not be others' favorites, and Darren has a big say in which video wins. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. P.S. Yep, I went to put stuff away, and what did I find? More stuff. I thought I had more. Let's see what we got here. This looks like eyes. Oh, I know what this is. Very cool. Darren and I got new matching rings. We got these. Stick your hand out. You don't have it on?
It's still on the counter.
Here you go. The idea was to wear it. We got these at the Ren Fair. I just really like them. They're just kind of cool. I got this for fun. What ring is it? What finger is it going to fit? Probably this one. Yeah, that one's too fat. That's too fat. Too fat. But look, you can loosen him up. But isn't he cute? A little frog, you know, for Fritz days. Fritz has, I've got to get on that. Fritz has a girlfriend, and all I have to do is string her. But with everything going on, it might be a while before it's done. All right, let's see what's in this one. Feels like multiple stuff. I think it's those outfits I buy for the shirt. I want to be really careful. I can feel other packages right at the, and look how they taped this. Oh, the Postal Service. Let's see if I can crack it like an egg with scissors. Cut it like an egg. I don't think I can. This is maddening. You know what? I think that's the inside of the same bag.
And I heard you complaining about packages
Yeah.
coming open.
Yeah, that's it. There you go. Oh, yeah, that's what it is. I buy these for the shirts, for Happy Meals and gifts and prizes, because I can't make these cute shirts for the money they cost. And this fabric is not so easy to sew. I absolutely love these. These are Smart Doll size. They have Velcro up the back. I buy these when I see them. I have several, but I'm going to need several. And I can make a little skirt to go with that. I've done that. I think I gave, Dory has a couple skirts that I made to go with it. And then they come with these little jeans that I don't really like, that are very dark, that I would recommend washing before using. And the cuff is sewn into the inseam. So if you were to fold this down, you would need to rip this out and resew it. Not a great big deal, but is it worth it? Anyway, that's what I got. What did I get? 4. Thank you.